So one of the things that I hear most from busy moms about why they can't seem to get their diet or nutrition or health goals under control and stick with them is because they don't feel competent. Now, it's interesting because initially when we start talking, they don't realize that it's a lack of competency that's holding them back, but essentially that's what it is. And the reason why I say this is because when you start a diet, 9 times out of 10, you're going in blindly. You're going to do something that worked for your girlfriend or your colleague at work. You're going to do something that promised fast results. You're going to follow a keto. You're going to follow something that you found on Google. And you're not going to exactly know what you're doing, but you're just going to put the pieces together of what you either, Dr. Google has told you or your girlfriend has told you, and you're just going to follow it. And essentially what that does is that leaves you handcuffed to the diet without feeling 100% confident in what you're doing and actually knowing and understanding what your body needs in order to lose weight and achieve your goals. And the reason why this holds us back is because, like anything else in life, when we don't feel competent in something, we don't want to keep doing it because we are constantly set up to feel frustrated and defeated and like we're not doing a good job. And knowing what to do without having to follow a program blindly is the key to being able to stick to something and see results for the long term. Like I said before, because this helps you avoid frustration. This helps you to be able to go out in public and act on the fly. So if you're out taking your kids to the park one day and say you didn't have enough time to pack lunch, you know that you can be able to go to any restaurant, any fast food place, any whatever, and you know exactly what to order without feeling guilty about your choices. So it helps you to be spontaneous, which for moms, like this is our life. We are constantly acting on the fly. And being forced to sort of move and shake with whatever life throws at us. The other thing that it does is it allows you to enjoy your favorite foods without feeling guilty. And this, hey Chelsea, how's it going? And this is huge. Being able to have a piece of chocolate, enjoy a bowl of ice cream, or enjoy chips without worrying about it going straight to your thighs, putting on weight without worrying about sabotaging yourself, having the competency to know exactly how to eat for you and your goals. It is what is going to keep you being able to stick to your diet long-term and ensure your long-term success. So if you feel like you're following a meal plan right now, and if you've missed your lunch one day and then all of a sudden you feel like you've fallen off track and everything's over. If you have that all or nothing mentality, it's strictly because you are handcuffed to the program that you are doing and you don't have the competency to know how to eat for you and your goals. And so the reason why I bring this up is because this is one of the number one things that I teach in my program. I don't teach women how to follow meal plans because I don't want you to stay stuck on something for 30 days. I want you to be able to lose the weight for the rest of your life. And so with that means teaching you about how to combine your meals properly, about when to eat what you want to eat, about how to be consistent in terms of your diet. These are the cornerstones of weight loss. And that's exactly what I teach you how to do so that you're not left feeling like, oh my God, I'm out and I have no idea what to eat and I didn't pack food and now I'm stuck. You have the ability to operate on the fly, to be spontaneous and to be successful. You have the ability to go out for dinner with your partner, to order whatever you want and to feel confident about your choices. You can have the glass of wine, you can have the piece of chocolate, you can have the chips, you can eat everything that you want to eat and feel confident about doing so, removing the guilt, removing all of the other noise that's happening around you. Because let me tell you, I know it can be overwhelming. I suffered with it for 10 years. But so that's the number one thing, that if you feel like you can't move forward right now, if you feel like you are constantly jumping from one diet to the next, if you're constantly jumping on something and failing, just check in with yourself and ask yourself, do you feel 100% confident with what you're doing? Do you know how to eat? Do you know what your body needs? Do you know how to combine foods properly to make sure that you're not going to have that afternoon crash? Do you know how to combine foods to rev up your metabolism? So ask yourself these questions, because let me tell you, if you don't, then you're automatically setting yourself up for failure, because I did it for 10 years and I can tell you, the moment that I actually taught myself how to do these things and became competent at it and had the confidence to go out and, eat whatever I wanted and to act on the fly and not feel like I was falling off the diet, that's when I became successful. And not just for the period of the diet, for long term. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to jump on here because I feel like this is coming up a lot in the conversations that I've been having lately, because so many people feel confused when it comes to diets. They don't know what to do. They don't know what's going to work for them. And even if they're on one right now, they don't know how to eat without following a structured program. And for moms, it just doesn't work. It just doesn't work for us. Believe me, I've worked with hundreds of them, and I know that the one thing we all need as busy moms is that flexibility and that knowledge. It's like, just tell me what to do, tell me how to do it so I can cut out all the other crap and be successful. And that's the goal of my program. So for those of you watching, I'm so curious to know, what confuses you most when it comes to diets? What do you find your biggest challenges? Tell me in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer you as with any of advice that I can once you guys do. Okay, that's all for now. I am signing off, but I will see you later. Bye.